All right, hey there, welcome to the Business Hub. I have another property for you guys right here in this little community. It's not so big, so this is how it looks. This is gonna be a quick video, so if I kind of move too fast, my apologies. But this is a 3-bedroom. Let's go ahead and go inside. It has some masters. All the bedrooms on the second floor. So yeah, out here, let me take my time. You can take a look at the outside. This is the parking area. And your guest toilet is actually outside. This is quite new to me. So it's not an inside of the house. This is the guest toilet. This is quite nice. I'm gonna go ahead and close this door, turn the light off. Also, there's a power outlet right here. Cause I noticed a lot of people keep asking me where are all these power outlets, cause I keep on not showing them. But yeah, this is the living space. Okay. So there's a lot of power outlets right here, right there, right there, right there, there. And a staircase that goes upstairs. All right, so right here, this little storeroom underneath the staircase. And on this side, this is the kitchen. This is a closed kitchen. I love the kitchen though. Yeah, let me back up a little bit. I'm not really sure about this. I don't think it's meant to be here. If it is, it's not finished. It might need some polishing. I'm not, yeah, it definitely does. Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to be here. So there's a kitchen outlet. There's an outlet right here, power outlet. All these cabinets. This door right here takes you outside to the boys' quarters area. All right, so this is the service door that takes you to the boys' quarters. So this is it. Okay, let me stand over here. It's a decent size. So it's more for a 3-bedroom and 1 extra room outside. You can either think of it to be 4, but it's more like 3 and 1 outside. So this is the bathroom that comes with it. You need some cleaning though, but this is just beautiful too. There's no power outlet over here. Alrighty. And then there's your little pantry area. Yeah, what's the power switch? Okay, right there. Right. Yeah, they are gonna do something about this right here, so don't bother about that. So it's a power outlet in here. Okay, so let's go upstairs. All right, so we about to go up. Oh, the bedrooms look so good. It really does. A lot of stairs. All right, so let's go into this bedroom first. So this is how it looks. It's really not too big in here, but it's a decent size. I think I'm hearing a lot of echo, so I don't know how it's gonna sound in the camera, in the video. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out the bathroom. That's your sink right here. All right, so for the guys, there's a power outlet right here. So y'all should be good, and for the girls too. Guess a lot of guys keep asking where they can shave at. So yeah, there you go. There's another bedroom right here. I'm standing in this corner so y'all can see the closet. Now take a look at this bathroom. Yes. This is so huge, so nice. Power outlet is right there. All right, so let's go take a look at the last bedroom, which is the master's. Straight ahead. Okay. So this is the master's bathroom right here. Oh, this is a water heater right here. Okay. That's my other phone. Right, so that is that. I'm gonna go outside to the other property so y'all can take a look at how the All right, so this is the master's in this building. It's the exact same design. Only difference is the master's has a walk-in closet. So let's go ahead and check it out. So right here, this is your walk-in closet. And then through this door right here, it's your bathroom. Yeah, that is that power outlet over here. And there's two more in the master closet. In a walk-in closet right here. So yeah, all right, that is that.